Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissant dough without yeast. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of very cold butter, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. These leavening agents will give your croissants a lovely rise. Ensure your butter is extremely cold for the best results. Now let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar. Next, cut your very cold butter into small, pea-sized pieces and add them to the dry ingredients. Use your fingertips or a pastry blender to work the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add about 1/2 cup of cold water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. The key to flaky croissants is lamination. On a lightly floured surface, gently knead the shaggy dough into a rough rectangle. Fold the dough into thirds like a letter, then wrap it tightly and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Repeat this rolling, folding, and chilling process 2 more times. This meticulous layering without yeast develops those beautiful, airy pockets we all love in a perfect croissant. Finally, it's time to shape and bake your delicious croissants. Roll the chilled dough to about 1/8 inch thickness. Cut the dough into triangles, approximately 4 inches wide at the base. Starting from the wide end, gently roll each triangle towards the point to form your croissant shape. Place them on a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Enjoy your homemade, yeast-free treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.